Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today I will be unboxing two bead kits from 1999. Yeah, they're both from 1999. And we'll start with this one. I'll show you the box. Show you the back here. And down here's the date. You can see 1999. Okay, there's that one. I'll show you. $2.99 is how much it cost in 1999. Some project ideas. Okay, I guess we're going to start with this one here. And then I have an empty bead box. I'm going to put the beads in to just make it a little easier. Here we go. I want to do maybe one section at a time. Here's the beads. These are so cute. And then it comes with some of this plastic string and then two little lanyard hooks. I'm going to put the string back here. I might put the hooks with that. There's enough room. Oh, what does that say on there? I have to get it up close. Oh, I think it has the date on it. Yeah, it looks like it says 1999 on there. It's on there. It's just really light. It's hard to see it. Those are cute. Okay, some more hooks. More plastic string. Cute. We have more string. That's so cool that they're dated on there. I didn't even realize that. I love that. Alright, that one's done. I saved this one for last because it looks like it has more fun things in there. Okay. We'll just go for it, right? I might do the outside first. Like, I don't want to just rip it off wild and then have everything fly around. Kind of like on Christmas Day. Oh, everything's taped in there. Okay, maybe we'll flip it over. That'll be a little easier. Okay, so that's what it looks like off of there. So there's stickers, I think. And they're taped on there. Well, those are cute. Now I don't see any date on the stickers. I'll pull that tape off. And that's the back. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe there is a date. Let me look at this closer here. It looks like I see a little 99 right there. That's cool. I'm going to put these in the corner here. And let's see. It comes with this little heart charm. It's got a little of the tape residue on there. And comes with some mini pony beads. Powerpuff Girl colors. Okay, I'm going to put this next to the stickers. And it looks like all the different sections have the same shades, so I'll go ahead and cut this and put it next to the charm. And then what else? Oh, how am I going to get those out? Okay, that comes out easier. I thought it was taped. Okay, some more of these. And they look identical. So no. Well, it's just the back. The sticker's still there. We're good. Oh yeah, there's the date on this one. Yeah, it does look like they're dated, but it's just really... It's hard to see on here and in person, but... Those are cute. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go back through and remove that plastic or the residue from the tape. It's a little sticky, and then you can put the sticker on there. So that first one was the heart, and then this one's the circle. Those are so cute. Oh, that tape. It's still sticking pretty good. Okay. Some buttercup. Oh, and then it has this string in there. It's a plastic string. This one looks faded in color. I'll put that with the lanyard string over there. cool. Yeah, you know, from the front, I didn't notice that these little charms were in there, so that's like a little bonus surprise. I saw that the stickers were in there, but I like that there's a little project inside that I didn't know about. There we go. Instead of fighting that. We have another little string. The last little section over here. Aw. Okay, so we got 2 heart charms and then 2 circles. Sticky. And then we got 2 left. Then I'll give you guys a little close-up of these beads in the box. I can't wait to make some Powerpuff Girl bracelets. Okay, so we have all the string and the hooks in there, stickers, the charms, the mini pony beads, and then these adorable beads. Yay! I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I'll see you next time.